is up, Lambros? It's SteveCarrington.com, and do I have a treat for you today? I'm at White Glove Auto. By the way, sweet little Evo right here. This is our friend Jay, on Instagram at Tulsa_connoisseur, I believe. This thing is sick. I know maybe I've seen this or I've posted this in some other videos, but this is actually a vinyl wrap, believe it or not, by White Glove Auto. Myron wrapped this thing. Looks good. Looks really good. But here it is. Okay, I've been pumped about this because I put a deposit in on a, they call it the Hercules, which is a Rezvani Tank 6x6. Now, I've never actually seen the Rezvani Tank, but today we see one because there's one in Tulsa, and it's at White Glove Auto getting some work done to it. I found out it's on the schedule, and I'm just going to sneak in and film it. So here we go. I'll be right back. Okay, guys, that's Myron back there, and that's the Rezvani Tank behind me. Now, somebody over here just goes, it's a Jeep. It's not a Jeep. It's a Rezvani Tank, and this one actually came from California. So, Myron, what are we doing to it today?
So we were going over the XPEL that Protective Film Solutions has done. They weren't able to actually check over their edges because it was being shipped back here to Tulsa. So we're going to go ahead and do that edge check and stuff for them, and then we're going to apply interior coatings to protect the interior leather and carpet for the customer.
Sweet. So this has been, I've been there. I don't think Myron's been there, but Myron loves Protective Film Solutions. We love Protective Film Solutions. We've been out there, done a lot of stuff. You know, Damon with DDE had a lot of cars wrapped there. So this started at PFS, and they did the paint protection film on it. And so Myron's just touching it up because it got shipped. And after you put paint protection film on, there can be edges that come up, and you kind of have like warranty stuff. So Myron's going to check it out. But let's check the car, the tank out, not the car, but the tank. Look at this thing. Whoa. This thing is cool. Now, this does not have, I don't think it has like the bulletproof package that you can put on it, but look at this thing. So Myron, like legit, they start with a Jeep, huh?
A Jeep Wrangler. The whole Jeep Wrangler interior is almost exactly the same. They just change a few trim pieces, the seats.
So the seats are different.
The headliner is all like a Alcantara.
So they take like what, a base $50,000, $60,000 Jeep
Wrangler,
and then they trick it out. Of course, they had to do a lot of body work on the outside, kind of like a wide body kit, and obviously new suspension. Oh, that's pretty cool. That I actually spec'd that on the one the tank that I looked at. But then there is a Hellcat. Well, I don't know what engine upgrade this thing has, but you can put there's a 500 horsepower SRT engine that you can put in it. This starts at a base price of $155, and that's before you put the engine in. I think adding that 500 horsepower engine adds like 50 or 60 grand to your build when you do it. And we're trying to figure out how to open the back, but
actually,
I don't know if we have to.
I don't even know.
A button.
Futuristic.
We don't know. It's too futuristic. Maybe it's this button. Boop. Nope. But it all moved though. But look at this thing. I mean, it's got some pretty sick suspension over there. I mean, it doesn't look like a Jeep. You know what I put a deposit on? The 6x6. And I don't care if you start with a Jeep or not. If you put 6 wheels on there, I'm buying it. And hey, for like spec it's about 300,000. But for 300 grand with a 6x6. But look at these finishes, like the way that the lights are, the way that the lights are in the back. It's pretty cool. And then let's look at they have kind of these inserts here, which is just for looks, for air to come through. Got the pretty aggressive front and bumper where it's lit up and says Rezvani. So we're gonna figure out how to pop the hood, and I'll be back. All right, listen, we got the hood open. We found it, or Myron found it, somewhere under here.
Yeah, in the fender well area.
In the fender well area. We're not going to tell you where, so you can't come sneak into a Rezvani Tank. But here's the engine. What is it, Myron?
So I believe they got this one optioned with the 6.4 liter V8. It's a Mopar motor that's found in like the Dodge Chargers or Dodge Challengers typically. So it is a V8 motor. Sounds pretty mean.
And you can supercharge it, and you can do.
Technically, you could. You typically don't want to supercharge the 6.4 liter. These do have the option to be upgraded to the 1,000 horsepower Elephant engine from Mopar, which is an
Elephant.
Elephant.
How do you do that? It's just a tune?
Nope, it's a whole different motor. You're talking about a $120,000 upgrade on these.
Oh wow. Okay, cool. Oh, you mean you can order the Rezvani that way?
Yeah. Exactly.
Oh, okay, gotcha. Yeah, I think that's a bigger upgrade. Well, this thing's pretty. There you go, powered by SRT. That's it. Probably has a Dodge battery too.
Yeah.
But that's it. I mean, I guess they started with a chassis from some type of a Jeep Wrangler, and then here you have it, guys. What do you think? This is the Rezvani Tank. Boom. We got some more friends that are headed here, like Paul Hood, to come check it out. But I think that's all I got for today. Tell me what you think in the comments about the Rezvani Tank. And go to RezvaniTank.com or RezvaniMotors.com. I'll look it up and put it in the description. And you can go check out the Hercules, which is the 6x6 that I hopefully will get here in the next 12 months. So thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video. Later.